Dubbed the Eiffel Tower of Viaducts, the awe-inspiring Makatote is located on the central plateau of the North Island in New Zealand. Construction of the viaduct dates back to 1908, when 500 immigrants who lived in tents on site completed the final connection to the North Island Main Trunk Railway. The historic relevance, construction genius and graceful design ensured its future status as a Category 1 heritage structure. The viaduct is adjacent to Tongariro National Park and crosses the Makatote River, home to the blue duck, otherwise known as the whio, which is found only in New Zealand. But even the sturdiest structures need makeovers. In 2014, to ensure its ongoing viability, KiwiRail began a 2.5-year strengthening and refurbishment project. The first goal was to ensure everyone who worked on the site arrived home safe. Thankfully, we've come a long way since the times of the original construction, when 7 people slipped from icy steel to their deaths. The latest project, run by contractor TPS Farnsworth, involved over 130,000 man-hours and was completed with no lost time injuries. The second goal was to protect the surrounding environment by wrapping the entire structure to catch any lead paint.
We've got a dust extractor running across the distance of the bridge, and that absorbs and removes any of the fine particles of dust when the team are in there blasting. Once the heavier particles have dropped from the surface, we've got a very high-powered vacuum cleaner.
And the endangered blue duck population was given a boost by means of a predator trapping program.
Even with all the work that KiwiRail were doing there, more birds had moved into that area, so we're pretty stoked with that.
For the refit to be considered a success, the structure would have to be fit for purpose for another 50 years. This involved strengthening of the spans, with deliberate attention given to keeping the lightweight look, characteristic of the original design. KiwiRail is proud to see the viaduct's legacy intact. Long may it continue to get the train through.